A little farmhouse cottage-like feels? No, I'm not overseas, I'm here in Singapore still. Welcome to this beautiful home with me, and right now, we are going to find out from the homeowners and learn more about his design. Let's go! Wow, we're here in a very lovely house. Of course, we need to meet the lovely homeowners, and this is Han. Han, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hello, hi everyone. My name is Han here. I'm actually a family of 4. I have a wife, 2 kids. For myself, I actually work as a real estate agent in Pronex.
When you first get this place, what was your interior design brief to Cedron?
We have a thought of having a farmhouse kind of theme. Okay. So it's more like a farmhouse plus a little bit of modern.
Where did you find inspiration?
Yeah, so basically, my wife and myself, I think we love to go to a resort like Bali, Phuket, that kind of area. We always have this kind of farmhouse kind of theme.
So how was it like working with Cedron?
I feel that overall it's quite fantastic. What my ID did is he actually helped us to decide maybe this theme is what you already want. Having this added inside is good, but with that it's not so practical. And of course, on top of that, there will be a lot more cost involved. These are some of the things that what I really like about Cedron and my ID lah, Ming Jie. What I personally really like about this living hall is actually the one behind me, this art area here. So sometimes when I'm back from work, I will turn all to yellow light, then it will be quite cozy sitting at one corner
it's
here.
like warming.
Yes.
The entire feels of it super cozy when you come home. It's like, I can relax at home in my living room. So how about your playroom? What was your idea behind it?
You know, I have 2 boys. You know, then my wife always wanted to have like really their own playroom. So my wife actually do out with like a rock climbing wall. Then on top of that, we also want it to be like a study room for them also.
Training starts young. You have to play, you have room to study too. You know, when I first stepped into your place, I was like, the kitchen caught my eyes. This is a part of like the cottage feel.
Yeah, I think that's the thing that we really wanted, the cottage feel.
It's so beautifully done.
We always like to go to some resort, that kind of cottage kind of feel. So we just want to infuse into our house itself. Yeah, so we actually specifically get the subway tiles that look a little bit more towards the traditional, a little bit. Then along with the color of grey color to make it more warm and cozy. Then of course with the pantry area, we also have the vinyl. So we cut it in a way that it looks like a tree bark.
Your bedrooms. So what was your initial ideal plan?
Okay, so my bedroom is the most simple, I feel. Because we do not want to do a lot for the master bedroom. I think that's the place that we just go in and sleep. But I think what we really want is we wanted to have the wardrobe to be shaken doors. And we like that kind of feel. So we just want to put it inside.
Okay, so for Han, his bedroom is simple. Inside, you go in, you sleep, and you get your rest.
Yes.
What is your favorite part of this house? I know it's hard to choose.
I think the most favorite, I think, should be my kitchen. I spend the most of my time over there, not to cook, but to sit there, you know, working. Because I feel that the feeling there is quite nice. The other part, if let's say I were to choose, is my study room.
Oh.
Yeah, because what?
Because you're a workaholic.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, what I really like is I do have like the cabinet there to display all my awards as well as my family photos.
Seeing the most important things in your life
Yes.
right in front of you.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, Han, so we know that there are a lot of homeowners out there looking to renovate their houses.
Yep.
So any tips for them?
Try to research more, gather more information and more ideas from the internet first before meet up with the ID. And from there, you'll be able to let the ID know what you really want and they can actually cater to your needs. I think that's one of the most important.
So it's also more efficient when you have an idea, and then they try to add, a lot more opinions.
I think Cedron has actually did a very fantastic job for us and we really love the place right now. I'll definitely recommend to all my friends, relatives or even my clients.
Thank you, Han, for showing your beautiful house. I'm just going to capture a lot more photos later.
Sure, but please add me inside.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you guys enjoy it and I will see you next time. Bye!